Hey, what's up, everybody? Choose here. Sunday afternoon. I don't know if it's probably 12:30 or 1 o'clock, maybe. Um, I've got a pizza from the brand is what is Motor City? What is it? Motor City, Motor City Pizza Company. Detroit style deep dish, although it doesn't look very deep dishy. Um, yeah, it's got pepperoni sausage and mozzarella cheese and bacon. And I'm going to try something new, for me at least. Coca Cola has a coffee flavored beverage. This is caramel flavor, and I am going to try it now for you guys. I don't know what this is going to be like, but I just wanted to taste a little bit of it. With the bubbles, I can't really feel it, but there's a slight there's a slight coffee flavor there. But I also have some Minute Maid Zero Sugar. This is the first meal of the day, so I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna tear it in. Mm. Okay, it's faint. Yeah, it's a little faint, but we'll see how it really works if my hand starts shaking. Because I've mixed Coke Zero into this Minute Maid Zero Sugar as well. Well, we'll see how that all works out. Um, I hope that you all are having a great morning. Um, this pizza is pretty decent. It's just, I wish the crust were crispier. But it's good though. It's not like having, Chicago deep dish style, but it's okay. Now, if this were Jets, it would have been a lot better. But I can't afford Jets. Spend some garlic aioli on top. And I know most of you all are probably getting ready for the Super Bowl. I am not. Mm. I will be chilling with some Bridgerton and maybe finding something else to watch once I complete that first season. I will be looking forward to what commercials wind up being hits with people. I do want to catch this Saturday Night Live performance by Phoebe Bridgers that people seem to be talking about a little bit. I didn't even know who she was until a few days ago. I was reading her account of visiting Marilyn Manson's home when she was a teenager. That was the first time I'd heard of her. But apparently, she gave quite the performance and has quite the album. So if you all know who she is, let me know in the comments. By the way, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would appreciate it. And then hit that notification bell if you don't mind. Thank you very much. Kentucky Bourbon Sweet and Tangy Barbecue Sauce from Target. Mm. That's also something else. I'm just going to tell you right now. You know, the caramel is up in there. I find that it just tastes sweeter than your usual Coca-Cola. I always feel Coca-Cola has more acid than Pepsi. That's just me. But if you ask anyone else, they'll probably tell you different. Um, but there's a sweetness to it. The coffee flavor is really faint. Yeah. It was $1.99 for that can. So not too bad. I'll try the other. I think they have a dark roast flavor or something like that. Excuse me. I'll give it another shot. Come on, fool. Mm. I got a pickle, you guys. I do. Wait a minute. I was going to say, am I getting weak? My jerkins, baby jerkins. There we go. Come on, come on. Yum. So good. So, I hung out with Buds last night. Me and three other guys. My squad. Not all of the squad could be there, but I was not in town. We managed to have a good time, masked and socially distanced. Some situations are just harder to avoid than others, but um, we still managed with the four of us to have a really good time. We had pizza there last night too. Some place called Fat Ricky's and some buffalo wings. I never get buffalo wings, but I think I'm missing out because those buffalo wings were really good. I always feel like buffalo wings are going to be hotter than I would like. And when I eat them, they're never really that spicy. So I think I'm going to have to invest in some buffalo wings one day. So my verdict on this caramel flavored coffee Coca-Cola is yeah, just yeah, it's okay. The dark roast might be more to my liking. If you've tried this, can you let me know what you think about it in the comments too? I'm curious. Not that I'm going anywhere, but I really don't want to get my white shirt dirty underneath here. Let's see what we got. Mm. It's that garlic aioli and barbecue sauce. Just so good together. I like this pizza. It's just I just wish the crust were, you know, I like it I like it really crispy, almost burnt at the edges. But it's good. I would buy this again if it were on sale. It's not like it's not home run in or like there are pizzas that I'm sure are probably so much better than this. My first choice would be home run in, but this looked good on the box. I figured it wouldn't look like Jet's pizza look, square shaped, but I figured it wouldn't really have that same aesthetic to it. But you can't go wrong with pepperoni sausage. and bacon. Mm. 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 Just a little. Just a little bit. Come on, man. Mm. 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 Too freaking good. Did I mention ASMR Bro said in a recent video, he mentioned something about barbecue sauce and potato salad? I think I tried that in front of you guys. I think I did. Or maybe I didn't. I can't remember. It would have been in a recent video. But he mentioned something like that, how good it was. So I decided to try some of this barbecue sauce on some potato salad that I had left. I just can't remember if I did it in one of my recent videos or not. Not bad. Good call. Hmm. Okay. I'm going to recommend that you guys try a little garlic aioli and or a little barbecue sauce. Has to be these two though. Or you know what? Whatever barbecue sauce you like. But I kind of like the garlic aioli as an option other than ranch. If you're one of those people that like to, dip your pizza in your ranch dressing or whatever, I like this garlic aioli as a nice option. A nice change of pace. Okay, that's gonna be it. That hit the spot for real. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Um, I will see you guys probably sometime this week. Um, I may not be uploading much, or I may, go live with a like snack of some sort. But I don't know about a meal. We will have to see. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye.